All right, guys, so here is your warm-up, right? 2 exercises you can do just to warm up. Number 1, right, just squat to high row, palms facing down. And again, you're just trying to get the body loose, get some heat in the body here, so you can kind of play with this. Obviously, if you want to make it more challenging, you can go single leg. But again, the key is just to kind of get some heat in the body. You can move a little more vigorously with this one as well. You can also go, if that's pretty easy in your upper body, right, you can go fly. Just extend the arms out. Open up the shoulders. You can also extend the arms up. Right, so you can go out. You can go up. The idea again is just to get the legs fired up, get the shoulders open. The second warm-up exercise I want you guys to do is like a pullover or I call it a rollout. Here we're just walking back into a push-up position, but not quite so far back. And you're just going to push the hands forward. Again, the key is keep pelvis tucked, keep the core engaged, open up the shoulders, and then bring it back, right? Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right? So obviously the farther you walk back, the more intense this is going to be. So those are the 2 main warm-ups I want you guys to do. And again, you can set it up with a timer. You can also go 10 to 15 repetitions. Again, with the warm-up, I'm not too concerned. The big thing is just get some heat in your body. 2 to 3 rounds, 10 to 15 repetitions per round. One of the things I didn't really talk about too much is the length of the bands. When you're doing any pulling exercise, you want it to be, there's going to be 2 little lines. So you want it to be either at the 2 little lines or midway between the 2 little lines and full extension. If you're doing any kind of pressing, take it all the way down to full extension. Obviously, if you're doing any plank stuff, right? I think I told you guys that before about as far as like the toes are concerned. Again, you can take it pretty much out to full extension depending upon the height of the anchor point. All right, pretty much it for the warm-up.